This is going to be a video tutorial on how to block pop-ups and redirects in the Mozilla Firefox web browser. I will be using a desktop PC for this. Let me jump over to my browser here. I have the Mozilla Firefox web browser opened up now. To block pop-ups and redirects, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go off to the upper right hand corner, up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to go down to where it says Settings, and I'm going to click on Settings. Now on this page that opens up, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to click on Privacy and Security. Then on the center pane, you want to scroll down a ways, down to where you see the Permissions section, and in the Permissions section, right down here, Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. You want to make sure that this box here is checked, as you see mine is. Off to the right of that, there's a little box that says Exceptions. You can click on that, make sure there's nothing in here. You can remove anything that's in here. But right here is Block Pop-ups and Third-Party Redirects. Make sure that's checked. Thanks for watching.